Well, a case before the state Supreme Court that could change the way local municipalities manage large dairy operations.
And this is an issue folks are watching statewide. Marc Lovicott has the latest on that.
Yeah, Sarah and Eric, this story really goes back years and years, and it all starts with a family-owned farm in Rock County, and they wanted to grow in a pretty big way. We met the Larson family in 2005. Their township imposed new conditions as the farm expanded to 2,900 cows. The town of Magnolia says its only concern has always been manure runoff affecting local water quality and drinking water. But what's at issue now before the Supreme Court is if the town can actually do that. Can a local municipality hold farms to stricter water quality standards than the state does? The Larsons say, and the state says no, the town says it absolutely can.
When you look at the big picture of towns' roles, which has been upheld time and time and again, if the actions are reasonable, with balancing all of these interests. Mr. Larson's desire to farm with the citizens' desire to have pure and clean water.
But as you can well imagine, that in this case over many years, there's a fair amount of suspicion and a fair amount of distrust between the town and Larson Acres that Larson shouldn't have to simply submit to whatever demands the town imposes on it.
As spelled out in the brief, the town of Magnolia is now blaming water pollution on manure runoff from the Larsons farm. The Larsons deny that. Their attorney says the town has no proof, and there are other sources that could have caused the contamination. A written decision from the Supreme Court is due in the months ahead. Depending on how the justices rule, it could have a substantial impact on other factory farm type operations and exactly how much control local governments have when it comes to managing and licensing those big dairy operations.
Interesting question there. One we'll keep an eye on in the months ahead as the decision draws near. Mark, thanks.
You bet.